Good afternoon, traders. Good afternoon, Philippines. Today is Thursday, January 14th. And before I start off, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comments made during this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. It's not it's not an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. Again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how I trade the legacy strategy that I teach my students. Any past performance of the legacy strategy is not indicative of future results. I must also emphasize that I'm neither a licensed nor professional trading advisor. I am a retail trader like most everyone here is. Once again, this live stream is strictly for educational purposes only. So I've already entered a trade here. Um, Basically, we what we've had, what here. Let me get my other chart here. What we've had here. What's going on in the overnight? You can find it here. Hold on. Yeah, sometimes I can't seem to find the chart here, right there. So many of these lines going on here. So, anyways, here. So this is what's going on, as you can see. Let me just get this other line out here. Hmm. Okay, there we are. So this is where we're at in terms of this overall. We've already hit this. We're in the middle of going up, so that's where we're at. So, anyways, here we're at in the overnight session. We have a up move to the upside, and then we are looking to see if this is a pullback, because if I draw the current Fibonacci's, and I just have to see if this is what it is, because see this. So basically, this is where we're at. We're being pulled down here. We went back up. We pulled back down. So this may just be a temporary pullback, and then we'll continue going down. But we'll see. I'm expecting this to maybe hit down here again. So that's why I took this short position. And now this is more of a. We'll see what's going to happen here, because we may have a. Looks like it may be going up. So let's see here. I might have to cut my position here. So there's your trend up, because we have a higher low. And if that's the case, this would be more of a thing like this. Like this. It may be coming down here to bounce off. We'll see what happens here at the trend line. So that's what I'm looking at right now. So you can see now we have a close here that's not literally lower. So we'll see what happens at this close. If that happens, then I might have to bring this up to maybe 150 again. Right here. Let's see what happens at this close. Because if I had this Fibonacci coming down like this, we basically have a retrace back to the green, which is basically the green would be right here. So move above there. So we'll see what happens here. It's like a cross between the middle of the two roads. If this close is below the previous close, then there's a probability that it will continue going down. There, looks like it is. So let me try to bounce off the trend line that I showed you before. So if that's the case, here's the trend line. Since we're getting higher highs or higher lows, except this one right here. So we'll see. Yeah, so this would be a good spot. So you can see here we closed below, right? This bar closed below these two bars, the two previous bars. So hopefully we continue going to the downside here. Let me push this down to see if we can get maybe another 1.575 right there. Mm, strong movement to the downside. Like I said, if we're going to look at the green, that's where we're at, or that's going to have me right here. Let's see what happens here at the see. Look how it's about bounce off on there. Big bounce off. We'll see if it's going to get through that trend line. If the momentum is strong enough to get through the trend line. You can see it's still finished and closed below this previous bar, or yeah, the previous bar. So we'll see what happens here. Let me see. They said let me keep this 150, 11, 9.
Stop filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, I'm looking. This is my speculation here is pulling back to the mid band of the Kelder channel here. So I'll anticipate that because right now our immediate momentum is down. Our overall trend is up. Again, you can see it bounced off that trend line. It may test that trend line again. We'll see. But like I said, I was able to come back with at least 150 or 6 tick profit. I'm expecting if I get this right here, if it fills my order, I'm looking to do at least another 6 ticks. It's going to try to test um, the trend line again. So we'll just wait and see.
Order filled.
So you see this got filled. So as you see, the previous bar closed above the previous bar before that. So we'll see if we can get this 6 ticks here. This is what I'm trying to point out. So this bar closed, this one right here, this bar here closed higher than the previous bar right here. So there's a tendency where price might end up going up. So here's the thing. If I get this, I'm scalping maybe 6 ticks, and that's about it. Again, like I said, I'm going to try to test that trend line once again, so we'll see. Depends on where this bar is going to close. If it's going to hit my 6 ticks, then I'm fine, because then I made 300. So we'll see the momentum in this bar. If it, I may have to maybe move my take profit to the trend line, or at least maybe get 2 points, which would be another 3 ticks already, 2 ticks, 2 to 3 ticks. Again, we'll see the momentum of this bar. So let's say if I move it down here, let's see where this is going to be. And depending on the momentum of the bars here, I think I can easily get 2 points here. So let me see here. 2 points would be 850. Do a little there. Let's see if I move it down. Again, we're going to see how this bar is going to react. So I'll leave it at the 6 ticks there. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I have two bars there, that two consecutive bars that's finished higher. So this might be, so let me see here. Let's say right here, leave it there. You can see here. So basically from this point on, 1, 2, 3. Most likely what's going to happen, I might just have to put this here, my stop, because right there, tight stop, because this is the third consecutive bar that has finished higher. Most likely this will continue to go up. It just basically having a short pullback here. Hopefully we can get 6 ticks here. As you can see, this bar actually uh, breached one tick above this one. So this is just a pullback. Now the question is, how far is the pullback? Hopefully we can get down to 6 ticks.
Stop filled.
So there, I got stopped out by 3 ticks. I'm still up since I got the 6 ticks here.
Order submitted.
And there we go. Hopefully we get filled here, because this is going to start going up. So my first trade was 6 ticks. I lost 3 ticks. So net 3 ticks right now I'm up. So I'll just have to add to that. And this would probably be my last trade for this session, since I have to be somewhere. I have another meeting, so let's see. Hopefully, this can get filled.
Order filled.
Okay, there we are. Let's look at this more of a. We'll do it 5. Let's do another. Since we have the momentum going up with this, again, 1, 2, 3. So this may work against me. So we'll see. Nope, it looks like it's
Stop filled.
there. It is. I got burned. All of a sudden, they just brought it down here. So okay, so we basically had that. Now there's a strong erratic bar coming down. That was an erratic bar because look how long that is. And now let's see if it's going to work itself back up again. So with that, I think I am done. So here I have total loss of maybe there's 250. Hold on, I'm just getting my calculator. A loss of 175 right now. Again, it's really, especially with this type of look at this. So I was going to try to get back up. That was an erratic movement. I have no idea where that came from. It's just look at how long that is, and it really defied this. Usually, these when you have 3 consecutive bars like this, that's really strong momentum to the upside. Then all of a sudden they brought it down with this big long, what we call erratic bar because it came out of nowhere. And that's sometimes when I see that, it's basically sometimes you kind of wonder if it's manipulated. It gives you the sense of being manipulated because this long bar came out of nowhere at all. As compared to these other bars, look at the size of these bars. All of a sudden, they just decided to bring it all the way down. A lot of people got stopped out on that one. Again, it looks like this may continue to test this. If I originally had my sell here where I had here, right, I would have had that another 1.5. Again, you don't expect that because when I see these 3 bars, consecutive bars finishing like that, it's see now you see this. This is the long erratic bar. Now it just finished right there, really where it's same closing point. So this may continue going down if we'll see. So what I'm going to do is I'm probably end it for today, for this session. I need to be somewhere, so let me see if this can continue with that strong momentum. Most likely it's just zigzagging. It's down here.
Order submitted. Order filled.
So I'm going to leave the target there, even though there's this trend line right here. We'll see what happens. You see this, as you can see this, we have higher lows. We'll see what's going to happen here. But I'm trusting this strong momentum to the downside. It's going to hit this um, lower outer band of the Keltner. So like I said, this is one strong momentum bar to the downside. We just want to see if this is going to continue with that momentum or not. So now here's one. So here's close this bar, the previous bar here, closed lower. And I should have understood that because our intermediate, should I say, our immediate momentum is really down. This never really established the momentum going up. It basically is continuing going down, which I could have misread. And that's the reason why I should not have taken this, since momentum is still considered down, the immediate momentum. So we'll see if it's going to continue going down.
Sub filled.
Okay, with that, I am definitely done. Mark is really erratic right now. So I will talk to you guys later today, okay? Yeah, this market is really going nowhere. Okay, so I will talk to you guys later this evening. Take care. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. God bless.